So for this wash and go, I'm using the Marc Anthony Strictly Curl 7-in-1 treatment foam. And I tried doing a wash and go with the foam before. I actually hated it, and I don't know why I decided to try it again, but this foam is super thick. It kind of felt like a thick cream when I was smushing it together in my hand. It left my hair feeling moisturized. I definitely feel like it was doing more for my hair than the foam that I've used in the past. This one was a 7-in-1 treatment foam, so I decided to use it as a leave-in conditioner. And what I'm doing is just taking a large section of my hair and working the foam through that entire section, making sure that I'm covering every single piece of my hair. The foam did have like kind of a weird chemically smell to it, which I'm not really used to. I like my hair products to smell fruity, but it didn't smell bad. It just didn't smell like the fruity hair products that I'm used to. And once I work the foam through, I am going to go in with the Marc Anthony Curl Defining Lotion. This was my first time using both of these products. As you can see, this is not a lotion at all. It's more like a really thin jelly type of product. So this would have been what I'm looking for like definition and moisture, but I just didn't really think I was gonna be getting that because of the texture of the product. But I decided to push forward anyways, and I'm working that through my hair. And even though it was like a gel, I don't feel like it was giving my hair the same definition that like a thick gel would. So at this point, I'm not really feeling that optimistic. But of course, on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Marc Anthony 3 times the moisture curl control styling jelly. And I have used this product before. It's a thick gel. I feel like it does a good job of giving me hold but not crunch. So I'm going to go ahead and layer that on top of the other 2 products and just make sure I'm really working it through with my fingers. And once I've done that, I can go in with my handy dandy Denman brush that I use every single time for every single wash and go. This is how I get my curls to clump together and just be as defined as possible. So I'm taking smaller sections and just brushing each of it with my Denman brush so that my curls can clump together. So I'm just gonna do that with the rest of my hair, and this is the section that I already put the foam. So I'm going in with the lotion, and then again I'm gonna follow that up with the gel and then brush it out with my Denman brush.
That we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute.
So this is just a quick before and after with product and without product. And to finish it off, I love doing my wash and goes on like soaking wet hair now. So I definitely have my water bottle close by so that whenever my hair starts to feel dry, I can just re-moisturize it. And I'm going in with the foam, gonna follow that with the lotion and the gel and then my Denman brush. So once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair the way I want to. I love a side part, so I'm gonna go ahead and push a section to the side and just make sure that it didn't get much frizz when I was manipulating it to like put this part here. And I'm gonna push the front of my hair back instead of doing my edges and just kind of put my headscarf on so that it lays back. And before I let it air dry, I do want to go in with my Denman brush again and just make sure that there's no frizz and that all the hair is clumping and curling together the way I want to. I don't think that I use my diffuser for this wash and go. I'm pretty sure I just let it air dry 100%. So this is the next day and I'm going in with my Tropical Roots Jamaican Black Castor Oil infused with rosemary. And I'm just gonna put that in my hand and work it through my hair just for some additional shine and to lock in whatever little bit of moisture is there. As you guys can see, my hair is moisturized. It definitely looks way better than I thought it would look. I have some definition, it's not crunchy. Overall, it just looks really good. And I'm taking the bobby pin and pinning the front of my hair back because I don't really like hair in my face, and I'm just taking a little bit more of that gel so that I can make sure my edges are semi-laid over here. And here you go, guys. This is what my wash and go looks like now that I done chopped off all of my hair. I love it. It's just so refreshing. It reminds me of when I first cut my hair. It was just so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna keep it this length for a while if I don't go shorter. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course I'll see you in my next one.